Adding in the exe default path without adding the directory. For example, I want to add Notepad++ to my path. However, the directory also contains uninstall.exe and several other files/executables, and I don't want them to pollute my path. Can I just add the one notepad++.exe?
You can add a batch script to a directory that is in your path, that looks something like this. You can name it notepad++.cmd. The help section allows you to easily get information on the switches. I put all such scripts and command line programs in a directory which is added to %path%, c:\users\public\command/, and that directory is synced to all computers and virtual machines.
Create a batch file with contents like the following. This should be saved as a.bat file, such as git.bat, in a directory that's in your path. @ suppresses echoing the command to the invoking shell. The quotations prevent white space being interpreted as argument delimiters. % pastes any arguments to the batch file, to the quoted executable instead. You can now invoke the executable using the part of the batch file name before .bat. In my case, git. References. Adding Python to Windows path using a small batch file. Adding Python to Windows path using a small batch file, forum thread.
Drag a shortcut to notepad++.x to c:\Windows\system32. Alternatively, as suggested by Cinetech Incorporated, you could place your shortcuts in a separate directory, for example, c:\shortcuts, and then add that directory to %path%. As some of the comments indicate, this only works from the run dialog. In order to get the shortcuts to launch from a command prompt, you need to add the shortcut extension .lnk to your pathxt environment variable. References. How can I start applications easily with the run dialog box?
Just create a symbolic link using clink in a folder in the path. For example, in administrator command prompt.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.